guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can customize your profile on Xbox. So in the previous video, I showed you how you can edit, but now it's more like how you can customize like the theme. So go to your profile, click View Profile, and go and press Customize Profile. Here you can select from a lot of themes. So just click on the one that you think, that you like. I like this one, and you can select the accent color by just pressing on the colors you want and just press save. And as you can see, the accent color has changed to this green, but I like pink, so I'm just going to save it as pink. As you can see, it has saved the accent color. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys, even though it was super short. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!